Search for open or closed repair orders in MaxxTraxx. There are two ways to search for open or closed repair orders. The first and quickest way is to launch a search from the main service counter or schedule. The second involves locating and opening up a customer's record. The benefit there is that only their invoices will be listed. Method number 1, the service counter quick search. At the far left-hand side, about halfway down, click the Search button. That brings up three choices. Option number 1 at the top is Search for Open and Closed Repair Orders. This is a newly revamped feature which now provides the ability to search the system simultaneously for ROs that are either works in progress or posted and closed to history. Click on that to bring up the Browse Repair Orders window. Here, one can search by different criteria that are separated into tabs displayed from left to right across the top. They include invoice number, invoice date, date paid, PO number, and customer name. The invoice date is the date the repair order was started. Select the desired Search By tab and either input the query into the field provided. It will be colored white, meaning it is fillable, or if there is a locator field present, slightly gray, meaning not fillable, just start typing. The typed characters will appear in the locator field. Special note, the Customer Search tab default input uses customer last name. However, there is also an option to use wildcard search. If that box is activated, then the character's input can be found whether they reside anywhere in the first name, last name, or company name fields. On the Invoice Date and Date Paid tabs, one must input the date first, then click the Find button to locate. When search results are brought up, simply double-click the item to open it up or click the View Repair Order or Print Repair Order buttons. Method number 2, searching from the customer's record. The other way to locate paid and closed invoices is to navigate directly to the customer's account. For review, here's how to get there. Click on Customer List from either the Quick Picks Shortcuts bar or the Customer menu item at the very top. Locate the customer's record using any of the search method tabs available. They are customer name, license, unit number, VIN, phone, or even year, make, and model. All of the search options except year, make, model use a locator box, which means one just starts typing the query. Once a customer record is located and is highlighted, use a double click to open it up or click the Edit button below. At the bottom of the customer record window is a section that lists all the vehicles associated with that account. Find the vehicle in question and right-click on it or click the Vehicle Options button on the left. That will bring up a context menu. A little more than halfway down there is a History option. Click that to see all completed invoices related to that customer's vehicle. From this screen, one can view or reprint past invoices. And there's also an option to just view all labors put into the vehicle as well as the ability to view all parts your shop has installed. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.